Tes yeux comme des grandes jolies perles. Your two eyes like big beautiful pearls. Tu es très jolie, polie, gentille et toujours essayer d'être positive. You're always beautiful, polite, generous, and always try to be positive. Dear Mom, my mom is brave like a lion. My mom is smart because she helps me do hard homework. My mom is kind because she stays on the positive side and makes everybody happy. I'm thankful for my mom every day. I'm thankful because she is my heart. She's a piece of a chocolate and I am the other piece.
I'm a piece of a
Everything.
chocolate. Aww.
You always go on hikes?
Yep.
And make your headbands.
Oh, this is my hiking headband. Try it on. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh. Oh my goodness. I love all. I love you.
I think I should do that to you.
Okay.
This Mother's Day.
Do it to me because it's Mother's Day.
Okay, 3.
You're working up for it?
2, 1. Look.
I do. I love you too. Oh my goodness. Thank you, honey. You know what? This is the best Mother's Day ever.